Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure every file you plan to zip is saved and not open in another program. Once done, open File Explorer and navigate to the folder containing the items. Now select the single file, multiple files using Ctrl/Shift, or the entire folder you want compressed. Make sure you have write permission in this location, otherwise the zip cannot be created. With your selection made, you're ready for the first actionable step, right-clicking to invoke the compression command. Right-click the selected file, S or folder. On Windows, choose Send to and pick Compressed Zipped Folder. On Mac OS, choose Compress from the context menu. The system immediately creates an archive. Zip in the same folder. Rename it now to something meaningful. You do this because descriptive names make retrieval faster and reduce confusion later. If compressing many items, confirm the resulting file size and free disk space. Once created, you can move, attach, or store the zip like any regular file. After creation, verify the zip immediately. Double-click or right-click and open to inspect its contents, and then test extraction to a temporary folder to confirm everything decompresses correctly. If passwords or encryption were not applied and you need them, use a dedicated tool instead. Make sure the resulting file size meets expectations, and then move the zip to its final location or attach it to your message. If the zip fails or files are missing, reselect the originals and repeat the exact compression steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.